Nothing can be done as I can. The pinnacle of regenerative medical technology. Super J International Pharmaceutical Group. Create the legend of life, realize the legend of eternal youth. I shared experience from Mr. Wang. He has a problem with premature ejaculation. He always ejaculates within 5 minutes. So he purchased Sowell capsules from Super J Company. And after taking them, his premature ejaculation problem was resolved. It can now be delayed for up to 15 minutes. Mr. Wang also explained that he experienced significant improvement in erection and ejaculation. His wife also feels happier than before. Mr. Wang also discovered that Sowell could make him increasingly youthful and vigorous. So he decided to use it in his health-preserving formula. Another customer also expressed great interest in Sowell anti-inflammatory nutritional ingredients because he experienced male sexual dysfunction issues at the age of 40. After explaining the situation, he purchased Sowell. After taking it for a few days, the feedback indicated that Sowell is a good product. He'll feel much better than before because none of the over-the-counter male enhancement products he's tried have had that kind of effect. If you want to choose health supplements for building strength and improving health, safety is important, so products must pass national inspections and obtain valid safety certifications. Finally, for those who have watched the video, feel free to share it with others. You can also tag your loved ones or friends. You never know, this video might be a huge help to them.